Hi, my name is Merlin. Today I'm gonna talk about what I learned today. By the way, my webcam is so weird. So my lips is so like how do I say it? Yeah, it looks like I put the filter on my webcam, but there's no filter of it. And so let's start. And actually, I think so. I should have take this video like 2 hours, 3 hours ago. So tomorrow is gonna be different. So and the first of all, I'm just gonna talk about what I learned today at the front end. So I really don't know how other routers work. Like I was trying to make so there's a Tanstack query, and a lot of companies are using Tanstack query. They're using RegVit and Tanstack query, and I was trying to put like some feature, like some dependency on it, because I forgot the web API. So there's such a thing that web API makes you to do the paint transition with the animation feature. I think it was view transition API, and but the thing is that there's no view transition on this Tanstack query, so I have to put this dependency on it. So that means I have to make my own router, make my own route. So I was wondering how does it work? How does like Rig router and other router works? And I look at the code of it. I know this is not from the Rig router, but and yeah, I think this was really interesting. I never think about this has changed. So actually, this has changed means that is your if you're like your changes it just like event handler that if you are changed, and that is really necessary when you're trying to make a SPA like some kind of router that have like some kind of interactivity with it. So actually, this is what I learned, and also I'm just gonna talk about what I learned in operating system. So I was not able to learn something like so difficult because I had to do another thing. So I'm just gonna show you my Obsidian. I'm just gonna briefly explain how open system is being executed. So actually if you're trying to run a computer, if you're trying to boot a computer, operating system is you're just trying to expect. Sorry. So the thing is that this is how your operating system works. Not operating system works. This is how you see. This is the process of what you can see after power on, BIOS, and bootloader, and OS kernel, and like read. So that's how it goes. So BIOS is just a basic input output system, and bootloader is the one who boosts it, so when you're trying to bootloader, you have to you want to put like something fancy text, right? And when you're trying to write some fancy text, you have to just understand really key thing. No, you have to understand other thing, but this is a really key thing. 0x B8000. Why this is important? Because this is the register, the memory address of video print. So actually starting point of it. So which means that if you're trying to put hello world on the bootloader, you have to start from 0xb8000, this address. Yeah, this might be really abstract. When I saw 0xb1000, I was like, why I need such a thing? And also, it's saying that the meaning of but I'm trying to make a Rust, right? Operating system with Rust, and there's a thing on unsafe block. Yeah, unsafe block. It's just it turns we are manipulating the pointer or memory related thing into our own. So we are manipulating our own thing is called unsafe block, the memory block. Because we're building operating system from scratch, and there is something that we don't wanna use. So we can use unsafe block to build from scratch. But the thing is that, how about safe block? Safe block is just the opposite. It's just a built-in functions. Built-in function. It's not built-in function. It's built-in feature. So actually, we could use pointer to put hello world, but the most best way is use BGA buffer. Yeah, I think I put it in some way. I didn't like that. Yeah, I didn't write it. Why did I? So I think I wrote the key thing. Oh, never mind. So BGA buffer it's just a buffer. It's just a buffer, but with the built-in feature, with the which is safe block. So you can use it, and that will not cause some kind of error, because not just it's like building scratch cause so much potential error, but you can just use another or the built-in feature, which is BGA buffer, and that yeah. So that's very simple, and yeah, this is it. Actually, and tomorrow I'm just gonna recap the whole thing till today, like ELF, what is binary format, something so much. There's so much things already I covered, but I think I need some recap. I think I'm just gonna use whiteboard, or I'm just gonna use this Excalibur in Obsidian. I really have to admit that I was really being lazy, and I was not really productive today. Yeah, but tomorrow we're gonna be different. I'm just gonna change it. So bye bye.